Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Battlefield connection failed error. The error reads, connection failed, unable to connect to the EA servers. Please check your internet connection, make sure the platform client is online and try again. Please see ea.com/unable to connect for more information. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes while trying to play the game. Players get connection failed errors every few minutes, in a match or even in the menu, and reconnecting does not help. According to our research, this error is likely related to VPN settings, Windows Defender's controlled folder access blocking the EA anti-cheat file, connected USB memory devices, issues with the current IP from the ISP, an outdated game version, or EA servers having issues or high traffic. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to enable a VPN and then try launching the game again. Then check for the error. If the error still comes, turn off your VPN if you are using one such as PIA. Simply close the VPN app completely and then try connecting to the game. If the error persists, remove all memory type USB devices from your desktop. Then relaunch the game and see if the error still comes. If the error continues, contact your ISP and request an IP change. Once your IP is changed, start the game and try connecting again. If the error doesn't resolve, allow the file eaantikit.gameservice.exe located in c:/program files/ea/ac through controlled folder access in Windows Defender. And then try the game. If you still get the error, check if you need to update the game. Install any available updates and then try connecting again. At last, if nothing helps, check if the servers are having issues or receiving high traffic. Simply go to help.ea.com/n/server status and verify the status for EA or the game. If the servers are having issues, then wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.